Go.
Okay, go.
Sabi dito, juwang-juwa na ako, pero bakit ang hirap maghanap ng jowa? I'm 28, female, and no boyfriend since birth. Partly alam ko naman na ang reason is hindi kasi lumalabas ng bahay. Haha, lagi kasi akong pagod sa work, pero still, Oh. pero gusto ko magkaroon ng boyfriend.
Gusto ko maranasan mabigyan ng flowers, tapos yung lagi akong may nakakausap. And most importantly, I want to have sex.
Wow!
Ooh. Ang hirap
too.
na... Yeah, right?
Nag-reply ka sa Reddit
Me too!
Ang hirap ng palagi na lang akong horny, pero wala naman akong makasex. Ha, ha, ha. Ayoko naman ng casual sex kasi gusto ko, mahal ko yung kasex ko.
I'm so frustrated!
Okay. Ang lit.
Medyo malaki yung problema niya.
Kaya nga eh.
Kaya nga eh.
So, here's the thing. Jowang-jowa na siya, pero wala siyang mahanap. But then, she really wants to experience all these jowa things, no? Pero wala lang talaga siyang mahanap. So, pretty much yun yung situation niya. So, as for me, you can never have everything you want ng ganun. Kasi wala siyang mahanap na jowa, pero gusto niya, kajowa niya yung kasex niya. So in that case, if you really wanna have sex, sobrang horny ka na, then then that's where
Declarative eh.
then that's where siguro try mo kayang mag one night stand. Kasi
Pero wait lang.
Wait lang,
Ayaw niya nga ng actual sex.
Teka lang, kalma mo.
Hindi, meron ako,
Okay.
Ate, ate, yung nakikinig, huwag kayo makikinig dyan kay Jessica.
Alam ko ayaw mo nun.
Ayaw mo na.
Because, hear me out. Because sometimes, for you to find the one, you have to take risks. And wait, am I not making sense? Because sometimes, what if yung naka one night stand mo, obviously you're attracted to that person, hindi nga lang kayo magka-jowa. What if something builds out of that? Because, wait na ha, may mga may
Go lang.
Wait,
Wait kami.
I'm waiting,
May
Jessica.
mga friends ako. Friends ako na na-experience nila yung, di ba, fubu-fubu. Di ba? Fubu's fuck body. Hindi naman nila na-expect na it will lead to something.
Serious.
Oh, something serious. Pero eventually, it just did. So maybe just take things one at a time. So, kumbaga, focus ka on the present moment. So, wala lang. If you meet someone, attracted ka, go have sex and then see where this goes.
Oh, go, Shuvi.
Go, Shuvi.
Ako, genuine to. Sa mga ka-triggered natin dyan, I relate to this girl. I also never had a boyfriend. And sometimes din horny ako as a human. Pero, you know, for me, yung one night stand, I stand on a different, parang, I oppose to what
Just not for
Jessica
you.
said.
Yeah, just own opinion.
Oo, kasi I value sex after marriage talaga. Parang, for the reason talaga na you can try out another thing. For example, vibrator or dildo.
Gusto mo talaga.
or sarili
Sex
mo.
toys. Yes, because as human being, you have your needs. You need to satisfy that need. Although, for me kasi, I'm a Christian. So, hindi siya yung parang, alam mo yun, I really, yung sobrang horny. May mga ganun eh. Pero for you, girl, na sobrang gusto mo na ng kasex, and you're 28, I think you're in the right age. Pero siguro, huwag mong problemahin maghanap. Kasi that's
That is
the
true.
problem. Doon nagsimula. Dapat,
Tama.
hinihintay mo siya.
Yeah,
You wait
focus
for
ka
them.
lang.
You don't find love. Love will find you.
Yeah.
Kasi kung naghahanap ka, madami yung reto sa'yo. Sa'yo mo
Comment sa baba po.
Pero eto guys, sinabi niya rin kasi dito na yung isa sa mga reason kasi hindi siya lumalabas ng bahay. Alam mo naman pala yung anong problema. If gusto mo makahanap na, go out, expose yourself. Hindi mo naman pwedeng i-cage na lang yung sarili mo. Gusto mo nga mag-experience, di ba? How can you experience things? Pag ina-isolate mo lang yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
So, go out, explore. Kung hindi man necessarily na, lalabas ka, oy, sinong gusto gusto makipag-sex dyan. Ganyan, hindi naman
Or
ganun eh.
mag-live ka sa TikTok, marami na ngayon, di ba?
Marami dyan.
Oo.
Send bobs.
Oo. At least sa loob ka lang ng bahay nun.
Pero gusto ko lang i-clarify yung kanina about sa one night stand thingy. Like that is if you really wanna have sex with someone else.
It's
That's
different
what I
with
mean.
every girl.
Oo,
You're right.
Iba yung gusto mo lang
Malinis.
ma-reach yung ganito.
Binulong ng sabay. Malinis. Kaya nahiya bigla yun.
Nakakapagod kayo yung one night stand. Buong gabi ka nakatayo.
Kasi sometimes kasi, di ba,